Hi everyone, I'm Mangelsdorf, CEO of Bits Technology Group. If you're part of a not-for-profit organisation, whether you're running a service, overseeing operations or managing the IT, let me ask you this. Is your technology helping you serve more people or is it slowing you down? Let's talk about how better IT can help your organisation really make its mark. We recently worked with Domestic Violence Prevention Centre, an incredible organisation on the Gold Coast helping families escape domestic violence. They are expanding fast, 80 plus staff across courthouses, police stations and community hubs, but their systems were a little on the outdated side with slow internet, clunky desktops and poor Wi-Fi. Sound familiar? We stepped in and delivered a full IT transformation. We replaced desktops with secure laptops for hybrid work, boosted their internet speed tenfold, upgraded their phones with Microsoft Teams calling, and locked down sensitive data with modern cybersecurity controls. All of it rolled out across multiple sites with zero downtime. Here's the thing, this wasn't about gadgets, this was empowering people, helping frontline workers reach clients faster, work securely from anywhere, and protect vulnerable families without the tech getting in the way. That's what we do for not-for-profits across Australia. Book a free 20-minute session with one of our team. We'll review your current setup, flag any risks, and map out the most cost-effective way forward. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like the video, subscribe for more, and feel free to reach out. We're here to help you do more good.